Hello, my name is Daniel Yuck. Thank you for watching today. I appreciate your time and support. In today's video, I want to share with you how to go about finding my tattooing workbooks. I will leave my Amazon affiliate links for you in the description below so you can check out the books that I will be featuring in this video on your end. Should you have any questions at all, I encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring my bell, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, let's get right on into this. For those who are not familiar, I have spent about the past year and a half working on an assortment of different tattooing workbooks that are designed to help us better our skill sets. I have created an assortment of various workbooks that are designed to help us with basic lining all the way to advanced lining, shading, dot work, textures, hand speed and voltage, needle depth, and more. We can also use a tattoo machine with ballpoint cartridges to practice within these tattooing workbooks, which I highly recommend. Here's how you can go about finding my tattooing workbooks. First thing you're going to want to do is head on over to Amazon.com. And again, my affiliate links will be for you in the description below. Once you're on Amazon.com, what you're going to want to do is navigate to the search bar, and then you're going to want to type in Daniel Yuck, the same name as my YouTube channel, DanielYuck. Once you type in my name into Amazon, you're going to see an assortment of books, but it's also mixed with various products. If you're wanting to filter out and just see the books that I've created, what you're going to want to do is click on my name as you see me clicking here, and then it's going to navigate to my Amazon author page where all of my books are listed right here. By visiting my author page, you're going to see my books and my books only that I've created for tattooing development. When you visit my author page, I would genuinely appreciate it if you would give me a follow on Amazon as well. When you visit my author page, you're going to notice that I have an assortment of various workbooks and more coming, from basic lining exercises all the way to advanced lining exercises. I have tattoo needle trivia workbooks. I have a book about fake skin. I also have a book that's tailored to shading, and I also have a book that's also tailored to textures. So I do have an assortment for almost every single element in tattooing in a workbook. For example, here is a book that I wrote about fake tattoo skin, which took me a few years to create. It is now available for your taking on Amazon, which comes in paperback, hardcover, and Kindle format. I feel it's important to note that I do step outside the world of tattooing when it comes to my books. For example, I have a book called The Labyrinth Effect, which is an adult maze book. You can go ahead and check that out again with the links in the description below. Here, for example, is Tattoo Needle Trivia, which is a book designed to help us spot needles better, which is going to come in handy when it comes to selecting needles for specific designs that come our way. As I've mentioned, I do have books dedicated to shading practice and development. For example, here is the Floral Guide Volume 1. Volume 2 is coming soon, and these are designed to help us develop our referencing abilities, our shading placement, our shading tones, and the technical application to apply shading smoothly. Here's another tattoo workbook that I have to offer, which is tailored to help us learn more about textures and how to apply sort of wildlife designs that really don't have any lining, but more so textures and shading. That book is called Wildlife Volume 1, as you can see right here, and it is tailored to give us a more organic feel when we apply our designs, so that way we can develop and learn how to apply more organic designs. Here is the Tattoo Journal Volume 1, which introduces us into basic lining exercises. Volume 2 is more advanced lining exercises, and Volume 3 is designing exercises where we practice lining and shading everything we learn in Volume 1 and 2. That right there is how we go about locating my tattooing workbooks. They are available right now on Amazon, and this is how you can go about finding them, or you can click the links in my description below and in a pinned comment. That'll be it for this one. There is going to be more books to come, so be sure to come back to my Amazon author page and check out my updates. Should you have any questions at all, I encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring my bell, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. With that being said, I thank you for your time and I appreciate your support. You have a great day.